Hi everyone, my name is Sriharsha. My trainer name is Ashok sir. In previous video, we explained about move statement and types of move statements and its syntaxes. Today we are going to explain about examples for the types of move statement. First one, simple move examples. 01 WSA picture class 9 of 4 0. Now we are gonna use move syntax. Then we are gonna move the variables like 1959 to WSA. Display WSA. Now we are moving 1959 to WSA variable. So now WSA variable value will be 1959. This is a simple move example. Relative move. In relative move, we move one variable value to another variable value. 01 WSA picture class 9 of 3 value x of IBM 01 WSB picture class x of 3 value spaces. Relative move syntax we are gonna use here move WSA to WSB. Display the WSB. Now the WSB value will be IBM. We are moving one variable value to another variable value. Now WSB value will be IBM. This is a relative move example. Reference move. Example is 01 WSA picture class A of 5 value comma 01 WSB picture class A of 3 value spaces. Now we are gonna use reference move syntax. Move WSA. We are gonna move all the particular three variables because we are taking 3 as a picture class length. So we are moving 1:3 to WSB. So the WSB value will be display WSB cob. We are moving from first position to 3 characters. So the WSB value will be cob. This is the reference move example. Fourth one is group move. In group move, we will move one group variables to another group variables. Examples are 01 WS G1, 02 AF picture class 9 of 3 value 9 of 3 value 1 2 3 B picture class 9 of 2 value 4 5 01 WS G2 A picture class 9 of 3 value 0 02 WSB picture class 9 of 2 value zeros. So we are gonna use syntax group move syntax to the this statement. Move WSG1 to WSG2. Display WSG2. The WSG2 value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because we are moving 3 characters 1, 2, 3 into particular A of 9 of 3 and 9 of 2 value 4, 5 to the B. So the total WSG2 value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the group move example. Fifth one is corresponding. Corresponding move example. 01 WSG1, 02 A picture class 9 of 3 value 1 2 3 0 to B picture class 9 of 2 value 4 5 WSG 2 0 to picture class P picture class 9 of 3 value zeros 0 to Q picture class 9 of 2 value zeros 0 to A picture class 9 of 2 value zeros. Move corresponding WSG1 to WSG2. Now WSG2 value will be, it will only allocate for A value only because it is it follows compatibility rules, and it won't be copying all the data to the WSG2 because it is checking if the variable is matching or not. If the variable is matching or not, WSG2 value will be A value is 1 2 3. It is taking two variable two length only, two values only. Then one will be truncated and 2 3 will be displayed. Final qualifier example are 01 WSG1 02 A picture class 9 of 3 value 0 02 B picture class 9 of 2 value zeros 01 WSG2 02 A picture class 9 of 3 value zeros 02 B picture class 9 of 4 value zeros 02 P picture class 9 of 3 value zeros. Now we are moving using qualifier move 10 to A of WSG1, move 11 to A of WSG2, display A of WSG1 will be 0 1 0, and display A of WSG2 will be G2. We are taking three characters, three digits, sorry, 0 1 1. These are the examples for the move statements.